Hey everyone, it's Ankit. Welcome to a brand new video. Today I want to talk about a stock that's down bad, that has a great upside, and their products are amazing. And I think it will be a great investment opportunity for everyone to invest in this company. If you're excited about today's video, then drop a like. It really does help out and support everything I'm doing. Leave a comment with what stock you think is down bad and it's a great investment opportunity and why in the comments below. Subscribe if you're new for weekly videos on investing and about life. Let's try to hit 7,000 subscribers. With all that out of the way, let's get into today's video and talk about the stock. The stock that I'm talking about is Beyond Meat. If you currently don't own it, it's a great opportunity for you to buy it. It's at a 52-week low. And as you can see from this graph, the high was around 222 or 221, and now it's at 97.61 as of today. And right here, as you can see, the 52-week range, it hit its low today, but it's shot up a little bit. And when you talk about finances, the net income, is negative 52 million. The revenue is 406 million. The profit margin is negative 12.97%. Its performance year to date is negative 21%. The 1 year is down 33%. The technicals, people are saying it's a strong sell right now, because as you can see, it's trending down. Why would you want to buy a stock that's trending down? Unless there's a great opportunity for that stock. One of the reasons why Beyond Meat is down is because it reduced its guidelines for sales in Q3. Based on the results, Beyond Meat said it expects quarterly sales to be approximately 106 million, well below the guidelines of a range of 120 million and 140 million. During an August 3rd conference call with the financial analysis to discuss second quarters, Phil, the chief financial officer, called the guidelines limited and listed several reasons why. First was the moderation in food services shipments following some pipeline restocking activity, particularly in June. Second was we had a very fewer shipment days in Q3 ahead of July 4th holiday. Third, we had some loss of distribution in our food service channels in both our U.S. and international businesses. Another reason it is down is because if you look at the financials, it's not doing too well, other than the fact that it does have a nice amount of cash on hand. So in July 2021, as you can see, the red, it's horrible, but the revenue was up 31%. Cash on hand is up 359%. Let's look at April's 2021. It was also not that great. Let's look at December 2020, which is also not that great. And September 2020, which also was, horrible, probably the worst out of the all four. But the company still has great potential. Their products are amazing. It's just they're not meeting their sales, and with all the stuff that's going around right now, it's kind of hard to hit your sales. Los Angeles Business Journal. Public Company of the Year, Beyond Meat. We believe that through small and everyday choices, like shifting to plant-based meat, everyone has the ability to make a significant impact on some of the most pressing issues our world faces today: human health, climate change, constraints on our natural resources, and animal welfare. Beyond Meat's products are available in 119,000 retail and food service outlets in over 80 countries. We are the number one ranked brand in the refrigerated plant-based meat category in retail and the number one manufactured in food service categories. The company's revolutionary plant-based offering across the beef, pork, and chicken platform are at the forefront of growing global movement towards plant-based meat. It is also increasing its accessibility to more diverse protein options through partnerships with widely ranged restaurants chains like McDonald's, Pizza Hut, KFC, Starbucks, and much more. With animal agriculture being a major contributor of global greenhouse emissions, everyday individual choices can result in a large-scale change, helping us ultimately reducing greenhouse gas emissions and preserve our natural resources. Beyond Meat aims to make it easy and enjoyable as possible to make more sustainable choices, no sacrifices required. So why did everyone lose their appetite for Beyond Meat? Two factors helped Beyond Meat in the past. The two factors were: first, there's a shortage in the traditional meat products, prompted some meat eaters to try Beyond Meat. Second, consumer stockpiling resulted in sales gains. At the same time, as mentioned, sales to produce food service businesses sank. That's because many restaurants closed and operated at a reduced capacity. So the potential for Beyond Meat is still there. The company right now is at a start of a potential huge growth story with McDonald's. Back in February, the two companies launched a partnership to co-develop a plant-based item for McDonald's menu. Now they plan to test a McPlant burger in 8 US locations as of next month. When you go onto the Beyond Meat website, here's what it looks like. Here's all the different products that they have. Not all of them, but some of them. And you can find a location near you for the product. You can view now. Here's all our products, as in Beyond Meat's products. You can hit view all. And so they have a nice diversified bunch of products. And you can find them in a whole bunch of different restaurants near you. If you already haven't, when you watch TV, you've probably seen their ads for what was it? I think it was the nuggets, or the chicken nuggets, or something like that. And they had a plant-based one, and they had kids try it, and they're like, "Oh, this is amazing." Yeah, so when you click shop our products, you can see all the different products that they have, and they try to bundle it so you can buy like 4 or 5 at a time and try them out. And here's the prices for some of the bundles and packs that they have. And as you can see right here from these pictures, the products look really good. And if you ever tried it, or you haven't tried it, give it a try before you say no. It's a healthier choice, so I kind of support it and I kind of believe in it. And it's a great alternative for meat eaters around the world or around the US to try out some new things. It's always great to try out new items and see what they're like, because you might actually like it. These are healthier choices. Get it? Healthier choices, 8CMC. It's just a small joke for all the people that are investing in ACMC if you didn't get it. Panda Express brings Beyond Meat orange chicken to additional locations across the US. And that's as of October 27th. So Beyond Meat is still getting different small chain restaurants, big chain restaurants to incorporate some of their food products and give people more diversity and more healthier choices when you're going to restaurants or small fast food restaurants. We received an overwhelming positive guest response when we introduced Beyond the original orange chicken at selected locations earlier this year. Another thing that's keeping the stock down is they have competition coming, and there's already competition out there. Impossible Foods eyes a $7 billion valuation in fundraising. Plant-based meat producer Impossible Foods, which competes with Beyond Meat, is in talks about $500 million at a valuation of $7 billion, according to people with knowledge of the matter. So this is another thing that's keeping Beyond Meat down, because competition's coming. There is several different stocks and companies that are competing for that market share of the plant-based and trying to target the plant-based eaters out there, and for the people that want to eat healthier as well, trying to give them an alternative. So there's a good amount of competition. That's why it's a little bit risky play for Beyond Meat, because they don't have the moat. What makes their product better than all these other ones? You can't say they are, right? Because they don't have they don't have anything that makes it better yet. Other than the fact that they already captured a lot of the market share out there, because they're working with all these different big chain restaurants, big chain companies, and having their products be in their stores. So that's a good way of marketing their product, but they need to do more, and I think they'll do more. So we'll see what happens in the future.